Obviously, with wife. Since my wife is there, I will choose my wife. I'm blushing. I have never done that in my real life too. Mine was an arranged marriage. This vehicle, I am just loving it on a day-to-day basis. That is my even current day hobby also. I teach drivers how to drive. You just have to kiss the pedal, not to press it. Hyundai Venue definitely is value for money.
பார்க்கவே ஒரு ராயல் லுக் தான் இருக்கு வெனியூல.
I couldn't convince a girl till now. Hi, I am Saravanan.
I am Renuka.
I am in love.
With FPL Hyundai.
And I bought this car in last July 2020. As I was very concerned about my family, I wanted to shift my family from Chennai to a place where it was less affected. So I thought I should have a private vehicle. That's when I realized I should have a own car. If you ask me why Hyundai Venue, then before buying I had a lot of choices, and I always had a thought that if at all I am buying a car, I should buy a SUV. And in SUV there are a lot of companies. I went and did my own research in like a lot of websites, and finally I rounded up on Hyundai because of the fit and finish. I think these guys designed the vehicle keeping the driver in their mind, and that's one of the good things which I appreciate. Always I am going to drive the vehicle, so I should have that feel. To be honest, I didn't test drive this car. They offered me to test drive. In fact, they insisted to test drive, but I know about the company. I have driven other cars of this company. So I had that confidence in this thing, and I went on buying this car. Otherwise, the sales experience was fantastic, especially when I decided I should buy this car. I just spoke to one of my friend, and he suggested to FPL Hyundai, and that was it. I mean, rest everything was on a smooth process. The sales experience was completely smooth. I didn't have any hassles at all. I was called upon, all the doubts were clarified to me then and there. Definitely the front part, it's as good as a luxury car, especially the grills and the headlight and the looks of it. That was a great appeal. See, as a driver, I should be able to maneuver the vehicle quickly through the traffic, and if I press the pedal, I should cruise. So these were all the small things. It should be easy to park and easy to get out. So these are all the small things which I wanted, and everything fits in perfectly in this car. So the wheelbase is perfect, so that I can make a U-turn comfortably in the city conditions. The speed also, whenever I am traveling to my native place, I cruise past around 130, 140. So the vehicle is completely stable. Yeah, I mean, they do not know that I am going to buy a car.
என் ஹஸ்பண்ட் இந்த கார் வாங்கினதே எனக்கு தெரியாது. நாங்கள் வந்து வீட்டில் நானும் பாப்பாவும் இருந்தோம். கூப்பிட்டாங்க, கீழே ஃபோன் பண்ணி உடனே வான்னு சொன்னோன்னு நாங்கள் கொஞ்சம் பயந்தே போனோம். என்னாச்சுன்னு பார்த்தா கார் இருந்துச்சு. ரொம்ப சர்ப்ரைஸ் ஆகிட்டு எங்களுக்கு.
If at all I have told them, they wouldn't have agreed also, because I was going for a loan. For me, family safety was more important than anything else.
எனக்கு பிடிச்ச ப்ளூ கலர் வேறு. ஓகே, ரொம்ப வீட்டில் எல்லாருமே சர்ப்ரைஸ். கார் வாங்குவான்னு எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணவே இல்லை யாருமே.
My first drive was from T Nagar to beach.
டிரைவ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பீச் தான் கூப்பிட்டு போனாங்க. காரில் போகும்போது எனக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயம் என்னென்னா, ஃபுல்லாக எனக்கு பிடிச்ச பாட்டு ப்ளஸ் பேபிக்கும் பிடிச்ச பாட்டு, ஃபுல்லாக பாப்பா பாட்டு பாடிட்டே தான் வருவா காரில்.
I used to listen to a lot of 80s and 90s songs. I opened the window, I drove around like 50-60 kilometers to all the beaches in Chennai. Then I came back to house by around 1 o'clock. So that is my even current day hobby also.
பேபியை வச்சுக்கிட்டு உட்காரத்துக்கு ஃப்ரண்ட் சைடு பேக் சைடு சரி வெனியூ வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு மற்ற கார்ஸை விட.
In fact, boot space was one key buying factor for me while choosing the car itself, because I used to travel to my native place frequently, like at least once in a month. And this boot space, this car, I think it's 350 liters. It's quite a good boot space for a single family. When compared to the older Hyundai cars, this particular car, I think they have tuned the engine also. The mileage is far better than my expectation. So I get in city conditions, I used to get on 14 to 16. And when I go out, I get around 17 to 18. Yeah, FPL service was excellent. I mean, it was exceeding my expectations, in fact. When I wanted to do my car service, a person from FPL came. I wanted to go somewhere. They dropped me there to my friend's place. Then they took the car. The guy from the service station called me up, took the photographs of the car, asked me what to do. I just spent hardly 10 to 15 minutes. He gave me all the inputs and told me that it was absolutely free of cost. and I wanted something to be done. He also did that. And finally, I told that guy to drop the car where I wanted to, and he dropped me. So what else you need? FPL, I think they clearly understood what I was looking for, and they were clearing all my doubts then and there. So in that aspect, I think I do not know about other dealerships, but here, yes, I'm completely satisfied with whatever experience I had. Hyundai Venue, definitely it is value for money.